Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change language in Amazon app. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Amazon shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Amazon app. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on language right here. So you have, then it's take you right here. Then you can simply scroll down and then see all the available language that you can simply change to. So as at the time of making this video, these are available languages that you can change into. Let's say it's time you want to change to Spanish, select on the language and you can see all the language automatically change. Once you're done, simply click on done right here and all the language will be changed into your preferred language. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change language in Amazon app. Very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.